Hello students, I'm Lokesh Rathod, your math teacher. In our last video, we had completed our chapter number 4, that was the number system. Now today onwards, we are going to start our next chapter, that is polynomial. So before starting this chapter, we should know some basic terms that related to the term polynomial. So as we know that in your earlier classes, you might have learned some basic terms like variable, constant, equation, expression, all those things. So before starting this chapter, I'll explain these things in very short. So let us start. So the very first thing is variable. Variable, as we all know that the variable are denoted by the alphabets. Means all the alphabets like A, B, C till X, Y, Z. These are called variables. Means variable, we can say variable are those values they can keep changing their values. Means जो अपनी values को change कर सकते हैं. Those are called the variables. Okay, means all the alphabets we can write a equals to 2, a equals to 5, a equals to 6, some more example we can take suppose we mostly take the value of x. So instead of x we put different values like x equals to 2, 5 and so on. So these are the variables, means they can change their values. Second thing, the constant that doesn't change their values are called constant. Like all the numbers, if I write 1, so 1 uh, uh, always will be 1. We cannot write 1 as 2. Instead of 1 we cannot write 2. मीन्स जिसकी वैल्यूज़ कभी चेंज नहीं होती, दैट आर कॉल्ड कांस्टेंट. जिसकी वैल्यूज़ चेंज हो जाती है आर कॉल्ड द वेरिएबल्स. दीज आर द very basic things that we should remember. Now the next thing, that is expression. So expression form by using variable and constant with different mathematical operations. So they come together called expression. Like here I have written 2x plus 3. So in this expression, x we have a variable and two constants, we have 2 and 3, and they came together with sign of plus. Okay, so this is the mathematical operation. So when variable and constant come with mathematical operations called the expression. Same thing I have written here, 2x plus 3 equals to 0. See, in first one I had written only 2x plus 3, but in second one I wrote 2x plus 3 equals to 0. So very basic, what we can say, very a minor difference between expression and equation is the expression doesn't have the sign of equality and the equation contains the sign of equality. Means expression में equals to का sign नहीं होता है, equation में equals to का sign होता है. Means जिस expression में equals to का sign हो, that is called the equation. Understand? Now the next thing that we should know, that is the polynomial. So polynomials in mathematical term we can say the any expression or equation written in mathematical term having constant and variable is called a polynomial. Means ऐसा expression जिसमें मैथमेटिकल टर्म जिसमें कांस्टेंट होंगे, वेरिएबल होंगे, विथ डिफरेंट मैथमेटिकल फॉर्म, दैट इज कॉल्ड द पॉलिनोमियल. In simple language we can say polynomial. Polynomial can be splitted in two form. First one poly and second one nomial. When poly means many and nomial means terms. When many terms comes together they form an expression that is called polynomial. Means बहुत सारे एक से ज़्यादा terms एक साथ आती है, that is called the polynomial. I think now you understand what is the mean of polynomial. Means जब वेरिएबल होगा, कांस्टेंट होंगे, मैथमेटिकल साइंस होंगे और वो सब एक साथ होंगे, एक इक्वेशन बनाएंगे, वो क्या होता है पोलिनोमियल. क्लियर? नेक्स्ट थिंग, that is degree of the polynomial. See here I have written ps equals to 2x cube plus 5x square plus 3x plus 2. That is an expression. So the highest degree of the variable is called the degree. Okay, highest power. तो इस पूरे में वेरिएबल क्या है, x की हाईएस्ट पावर क्या है 3. तो 3 इज़ द डिग्री ऑफ द पोलिनोमियल. मीन्स जिस भी एक्सप्रेशन में जो भी मैक्सिमम पावर होगी दैट विल बी कॉल्ड द degree of the polynomial. Next, polynomial can be treated some different types. There are some different types of polynomial and these types we can understand them by two ways. So first way is the type of polynomial. First one in the form of the degree. Degree के form में polynomial के कितने types होते हैं? Very first one is linear polynomial. Means a polynomial having डिग्री 1 इज कॉल्ड द लीनियर पॉलीनोमियल. मीन्स ये पॉलीनोमियल लिखा है मैंने 2x+3, तो मैक्सिमम पावर क्या है 1. तो जो मैक्सिमम पावर 1 होगी दैट इज कॉल्ड द लीनियर पॉलीनोमियल. सेकेंड वन क्वाड्रेटिक पॉलीनोमियल व्हेन मैक्सिमम पावर इज 2 दैट इज कॉल्ड द क्वाड्रेटिक पॉलीनोमियल. क्यूबिक पॉलीनोमियल व्हेन मैक्सिमम पावर इज 3 दैट इज कॉल्ड द क्यूबिक पॉलीनोमियल. ओके, तो ये पॉलीनोमियल का टाइप है इन फॉर्म ऑफ डिग्रीज. तो मैक्सिमम पावर 1 है that is called linear polynomial. Maximum power 2 है called quadratic polynomial. Maximum power अगर 3 है that is called the cubic polynomial. Now we'll understand the polynomial according to the, or we can say in the form of the terms. See here the second part in the form of the terms. So first one I have written only 2x having only one term. So when the polynomial having only one term that is called the monomial. When the polynomial having two terms, 1 and 2 terms, that is called the binomial. When the polynomial having 1, 2, 3 terms, that is called the trinomial. So there are two different ways. By using those ways we can find which type of the polynomial whatever the given is. So if we are seeing the degree of the polynomial, so we can identify it like linear, quadratic and cubic polynomial. If we are observing them in the form of terms, so we can say that can be the monomial, binomial or trinomial. And if there are more than 3 terms, so we can say it a multinomial. Understand? So next thing we have to understand, that is the zero of the polynomial. Zero means the value of the polynomial. Zero means क्या होता है, किसी भी polynomial की value. Suppose we have an expression px equals to 2x plus 4, and we have to find the zero of the polynomial. So what will be the zero of the polynomial? For finding this we need to take this polynomial equals to 0. 0 means we have to find the value of x. एक simple language में हम कह सकते हैं कि x की value find करना है, that will be the zero of the polynomial. Here I have taken px equals to 0. तो जब भी ऐसा question हो आपको उसकी equals to में 0 लेना है. Now px was given 2x plus 4, so instead of px I have written 2x plus 4 equals to what? 0. For finding x, first I need to shift 4. So when I shifted 4, it will be changed into negative sign. Now for finding x I need to shift 2, so 2 divides 4 2 times, so x finally will have what? minus 2. So minus 2 is the zero of the polynomial. मैं जब भी 0 find करना है तो हमको करना क्या है, वहाँ जो भी वेरिएबल होगा उसकी वैल्यू फाइंड करना है. ओके, नाउ द नेक्स्ट टॉपिक इज वी हैव टू सी दैट हाउ टू फाइंड वेदर द गिवन एक्सप्रेशन इज अ पॉलिनोमियल और नॉट. मीन्स हमको ये पता करना है कि एक पर्टिकुलर एक्सप्रेशन जो गिवन है वो पॉलिनोमियल है या नहीं. तो उसकी कंडीशन क्या होती है. सी इफ आई राइट एन एग्जाम्पल, सपोज 4x स्क्वायर प्लस 2x प्लस 3. So the highest power of the variable, we have to see only the power of variable for identifying the polynomial. So the highest power of the variable is 2. Okay, 2 is whole number. So the condition for the polynomial is it should be, power should be positive whole number. What is the condition? Power should be the पॉजिटिव होल नंबर. ओके, मीन्स जो पावर होगी वो पॉजिटिव होल नंबर होगी. सो एक्स की मैक्सिमम पावर है 2, पॉजिटिव भी होल नंबर है, मीन्स इट इज कॉल्ड द पॉलिनोमियल. इट विल बी द पॉलिनोमियल. सी सेकेंड एग्जाम्पल, सपोज वी आर टेकिंग 4x प्लस 2 रूट एक्स प्लस 3. सी here in first one the x power of x is 1, but in second one power of x on x we have taken here root. So mean of root is the mean of root. When I remove the root, it means the power of x is 1 by 2, and 1 by 2 means the power of x will be 0.5. And the condition of the for the polynomial is what? The power should be the positive whole number. It should be positive and also a whole number. Here root means power will be the decimal number, understand? So it would not be the पॉलिनोमियल. सो पॉलिनोमियल की इतनी सी कंडीशन है कि वेरिएबल के ऊपर रूट नहीं होना चाहिए, पावर है पॉजिटिव होगी और होल नंबर होगी. Okay, so this was the most important thing that you should remember. Okay, one more example I am taking here. If I am writing 4x square root 2x plus 3, so what, whether it is a polynomial or not? So yes, it is polynomial. Why? Because here in first term power of x is 2, it is whole number. In second one power of x is 1, it is also a whole number. See, in second term we have a number with root, but root is on what? 2. root is on what? 2. 2 के ऊपर रूट है, मीन्स 2 की पावर चेंज होगी. और हमको कांस्टेंट से कोई वो नहीं है, कांस्टेंट को हमको लेना नहीं है. वी हैव टू जस्ट सी द वेरिएबल. सो द पावर ऑफ वेरिएबल is here whole number, here also whole number. So yes, it is a polynomial. So this was the introduction of chapter 2nd. From in our next video we'll be starting exercise 2.1. So watch it. Thank you.